Hello everyone, this is an introduction to Module 4. Module 4 is the halfway point of the semester, so it's really important to be thinking about your grade at the end of the semester and kind of think about what grade you want for the class and keep track of what you're getting on your assignments. You may have to adjust the way that you work on stuff in this class, and you may want to email me if you have questions. So just kind of keep that in mind. Module 4, we are finishing the second major assignment, the cause and effect paragraph. After this point, the class will be devoted to working on your one essay assignment for the class. So we'll start working on the process essay in the next module. So we'll get a little bit of break from writing after this point, but we are at the halfway point. A couple other things. There's a midpoint survey in this module, which you can take for extra credit, and it gives me some feedback on the class and how you're doing. And then also keep in mind that this module is due on a Monday because the Sunday is July 4th is a holiday. So in case you're doing anything on the holiday, it's actually due on Monday. That extra day is probably not going to make much of a difference, but just kind of keep that in mind. So I'm going to walk through the assignments in this module. You'll see a lot of things are very familiar. So we have some reading assignments, this chapter 3 on annotating a text, as well as the chapter on subject-verb agreement. That is our grammar topic for this unit. And then you'll have, of course, the same number of assignments here. Our reading assignment is related to the article, The Ways We Lie. So this is the third article that we have read, or fourth article, that is out of the textbook, and these are very similar. The questions are starting to get a little bit more complex, and these are related to annotating an article. And so a lot of the things that you're asked to identify, you will read about in the annotation chapter and then apply to this particular article. And so hopefully you'll find it interesting. The article itself also shows you a little bit of a different style of writing. So this is in the classification chapter. So it's an example of classification writing, but you'll see some of the cause and effect as well, because a lot of styles of writing are a little bit mixed. So that is The Ways We Lie. Questions that you'll answer. Of course, you have your grammar review, the chapter 18, and then a video to help you out. And then the last thing that you'll be working on is there's the quiz, is the cause and effect paragraph that you'll be writing. So the cause and effect paragraph is the same one you saw in Module 3. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you go back and read over my comments on the journal that you did, the pre-writing journal. Make sure you read those before you start writing your paragraph, because if you don't, and you've chosen something that won't work, or there's some issues with what you are planning, then you're just going to keep going with the same problems, and those will cause you to lose points, obviously, in the end. So again, we're working with the same topic that you chose for your pre-writing journal in Module 3, and all you're doing is then writing out this paragraph. I want to emphasize again that this is not an essay. This is only one paragraph, and I know that you're going to feel like, well, this isn't long enough, this doesn't have enough space, I feel like I'm writing a full assignment, and that's okay, because that's the point. We want to start with something small. We'll work our way up to an essay starting in the next module. So keep that in mind. It is one paragraph on the page. So that's what you'll turn in here at the end. I do encourage you to spend some time on this assignment, make sure that you do it correctly, and then also, of course, read feedback on your illustration paragraph. If there are any issues, you should be improving them for the next major assignment. So those are the assignments in Module 4. It's not a terribly difficult module, but it does contain that second major writing assignment. So leave yourself time to work on that. As usual, if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And some of you are not watching these videos. They're very important for being successful in this class. And so if you are watching this video, I would like like to reward you. If you send me an email to tell me that you watched the video, I will add 5 points to your illustration paragraph points. So I hope you are having a good week. And if you have any questions, of course, always email me.